Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, I'm gonna share with you some advice that is helping me reach my financial goals, and I'm sure if you implement this, it will help you reach yours as well. Now, this advice is very simple, but it can be very effective, and that is, before you get started on your making money journey or building your online business or whatever it is, you need to ask yourself this one question, and it is why, right? What is your why? You might have heard all of the gurus, they talk about this. Motivational speakers talk about this. Business advisors all talk about this. And it's like, what's your why? Why do you want to make this amount of money? Why do you want to start this business? Why do you want to be so successful, right? And once you come up with your why, it gives you that motivation. It should give you that push to do the things that maybe you don't want to do, that you know if you do them will help you reach your goals, right? Once you know your why, it gives you something to look forward to, right? You have a reason to do what you're doing because you know where you want to be. And your why is exactly that. It's your why. So it might be because, hey, you just want to make 6 figures a year, 7 figures a year. That's your why. Maybe it's because you just had a baby and you want to be able to pay for that baby's, college fund, or help that baby start their own business when they get old enough, right? Your why could be to help your mom out who raised you. So you want to buy your mom a new house, right? That could be your why. So whatever it is, figure it out, right? Figure it out and write it down. Put it on, a lot of people use vision boards and everything. So whatever your why is, make sure that you can see it. Even if you put it on a little sticky note by your computer, even if you put it on a screensaver on your phone, you can put an image on your phone and you could just look at it every day. And that's your why. It might be a picture of your kids. It might be your dream home. It might be just a big pile of money. It might be an office building. Whatever it is, you need to find it. And this works, like I said, whenever you're trying to make money online, affiliate marketing, YouTube, you're going to have some struggles. There's going to be times where you're gonna be like, yo, this is whack. This ain't for me. I can't do this. But then you need to realize what's your why. And your why should make you be able to reevaluate what's going on. And maybe it'll put you in a different direction, but a direction that's going to help you still achieve your goals, right? And that is what knowing your why can do for you. And the cool thing is, you might have more than one whys, right? So use your main why, and then after you reach your goal, to get to the next level, you might have a different why. This is why you want to make 7 figures a year now. This is why you want a bigger home or whatever, right? But the key is find your why and write it down. Make a visual note of it. Do what you got to do, but understand what your why is, and that will, I'm sure, help you reach your financial goals, your business goals, or whatever you're trying to do. All right. So hopefully this video helped. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.